Hey guys, welcome to my Sonic Screwdriver review. This is the Sonic Screwdriver. Here, first off, the ways to make it light up and make a sound. So, first, this one, and extend this one. This works when not extended, but works best when extended. This, and one I found myself is this one. Okay, way to close it, this, or just this. And here are the different sounds. So number 1, 2, as you can hear, the second one is a bit deeper, and 2 hidden sounds. Number 1 sounds a bit like a gun, and last one. So to get those, this one, just tap 3 times. And this one 4 times. And next up is a special thing. So I got this coupon code for the PVC shop. The person with the best comment on this video will get 10% off their next order. So be sure to leave a comment, and see you next time. Thank you all for watching, and we have a little thing to
announce.
So I'm going on vacation tomorrow.
Yes.
And
sadly,
so that's Monday. I'll be gone for 18 days. So no videos. So we have one video we can upload,
and it's this video.
Yeah, and season 2, but that's not done. So don't worry. After when I'm back, we'll do
well, immediately, or at least as soon as possible, we'll finish season 2. So
and on the 12th of August, Series 8 will start.
Season 8.
Series 8 is...
don't
care. Whatever. Maybe live reaction, don't expect it. Surely we're going to watch it and review it. But
first the others...
He didn't finish
watching
the
all
Mother
the
Who.
seasons.
So he's at Series 5.
Season 5.
So then we'll just continue doing the season reviews. Maybe another Sonic Screwdriver review.
He's getting a 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. Spoilers. Spoilers. Spoilers alerts. Just like Dr. River's song. I never got her. She was just not very good.
She's annoying.
Yes.
So, maybe we'll make a schedule, but for now I'm gone. He'll be able to make video.
Maybe I'm going on the... Maybe I'm going to vacation to London, which not 100% yet because of financial problems.
So,
and if I do, I'm going to the Doctor Who shop, and I'm 100% sure to film that and to make some sort of vlog with it. So
be sure to check in. I don't know when season 2 review will come out, but you'll know immediately if you're subscribed. So subscribe and
leave a like.
Until then.
Stay tuned.